up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from guitarjams.com. How you doing? You doing well? Good. I got another quick little rock lick for you. This time it's inspired by one of my favorite guitar players, John Scofield. He made this album with Medeski, Martin & Wood called A Go-Go, or A Go-Go. And there's this cool little thing he does that I figured out, and I'm going to pass it on to you. It's a double stop with a little rake, and it's funky and bluesy all at the same time. It's very tasty, and I'm going to show it to you. If you want to learn more about guitar, though, like get deeper into it, you can try guitarjams.com for free for 2 weeks in that link right down there below this box. Really appreciate that support. But let's zoom in right now and break this one down. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to break down a little double stop raking blues thing. And it's a little harder to teach because it's not just put your finger there and hit that note. There's, it's more of a technique. So here it is without a jamming track behind it. So first thing I'm doing is I'm getting my index finger on the root. We're in the D minor pentatonic scale. 10th fret of the E is the root. Okay, and so what I'm doing is take my index finger, playing that root that's on the high E right there, 10th fret. And then I'm bending the 13th fret of the B up to that note. Listen. But what I'm doing is I'm using my ring and middle on that 13 of the B, but I'm holding that D note on the 10th of the high E, like that. And I'm actually palm muting the rake into that bend. And then I cut it off with my right hand, so it's like a stab, bum, and then it stops. It doesn't go, which you could do as well, but for this we're going. So see if you can do that. And then with my right hand, I'm raking an upstroke over the strings. And my index finger is kind of right in this box. And I rake it over until I press down on that root right there, which is the 12th fret of the D string. So when you hear that, that's not pressing down, it's just touching the strings to mute. And then just a little cool thing, you could play the 13 on the B and the high E as you're holding that. there was the lick. Hope you got something from it. Remember, you can go to guitarjams.com and that link down there. Try it out for free for 2 whole weeks. Take a bunch of lessons. I think you'll enjoy it. Hopefully we'll see you again, though. So take care.